Just a quick video on how to change the batteries on a Microsoft Wireless Mouse 1000. And the battery cover's on the bottom, like most wireless mice. And you'll want to put your fingernail above this slit right here. You'll push down, and once you push down far enough, you can pull the cover away towards you. And if it's still intact, you should have a pull tab to remove the batteries. Otherwise, you can take the mouse, gently tap it against your hand until the batteries start to come loose. They can be a little tricky. And one thing to keep in mind with this mouse, it's a little odd. There's an indicator there, but it doesn't tell you that both batteries are positive, going in the same direction. So you see the positive side's going to the back. You want to make sure you have this little plastic flap hanging here under the batteries, just so it's easier to remove them. But then you just kind of angle them in like this. And when you put the cover on, make sure these little tabs go inside the mouse. And you just push it down to here, click. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.